Does your company frequently use fax machines? Of course you want to take advantage of the latest technology, but new hardware is not always easy to operate and often causes real headaches. Do you and your employees have the time to come to terms with a new machine? How many machines do you need for all of your departments? You also use the fax machine at home, but is it always reliable when sending and receiving faxes?
Hey, what's wrong? I can't send a fax. What's up, man? I have a meeting. Hey, man, I can't wait. Time is money. This is not my day. Bye-bye.
With your job, you're frequently on the road. Have you ever left something important behind in the office?
You did not receive my fax?
Say goodbye to complicated hardware and say hello to PamFax. Send your fax to any number worldwide. There's no need for a phone line or extra hardware. PamFax offers you a complete internet fax service that replaces your fax machine. PamFax supports Skype. It's easy to send or receive a fax within Skype. PamFax supports Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms and enables safe faxing via SSL encryption from anywhere in the world. You'll receive your personal fax number directly after registering. You can access your PamFax account worldwide via the internet. Now you can avoid stress and problems with complicated hardware.
I knew you'd find a solution.
Save time and money equipping your departments with fax machines. Receive and send faxes anywhere, anytime. PamFax is the modern way to communicate with your customers and employees. Register now so you can benefit from the unique advantages of PamFax.